It's the live feed. I'm below the good days of news and rumors. Welcome and do subscribe. Married comedian and TV presenter Tall as Mo is fighting tooth and nail to clear his name. This comes after model Lerato Moloi accused Tall as Mo of sexual harassment. It was also reported, or we learned, that the tables have turned on Lerato and has allegedly been arrested for being in contempt of court for refusing to take down a tweet from 2014 which was accusing Tall as Mo of the hideous crime. The model is refusing to back down without law doing right by her and wants justice to be served. After refusing to remove a tweet recalling her own experience under Me Too hashtag, South African model and TV presenter Lerato Moloi found herself in hot water as police had arrested her for being in contempt of court. According to a report published by Daily Sun, the model was served with a court order to remove a tweet or to remove the tweet after one of the three men she named, which was comedian Mungezi, also known as Tall as Mo, took legal actions against her. The court order detected that the tweet was to be removed within 24 hours after the order was handed down. Vereeniging police confirmed to the publication that Moloi was arrested on Sunday and appeared in the Vereeniging Magistrate Court on Wednesday, the 1st of July. She has since tweeted that she is not shaken by the drama that is happening as she wants justice to prevail and for Tolesmo to pay for her allegedly raping her. She said, quote, "Moments ago I've just signed for and received the lawyer's letter of demand, interim protection order, etc., from the men that raped me in 2014. I am still not afraid. I will not go silent." That is what she tweeted. Refuting these allegations, Tolesmo says these claims are damning as he is trying to teach his son to respect women. Another rape case that's gone wrong, another speculation that is about to be spun. Anyway, tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think about this whole entire situation? Do you think that Tolesmo actually did it and hiding behind lawyers? Do you believe that Lerato was actually harassed or raped, so she says? What do you think about this whole entire situation? Just tell me in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys on the next upload.